Hello there. Well, it's looking fairly stormy on the wind front for New Zealand during Tuesday and Wednesday. A strong nor'west flow that is typical of spring is set to advance over the South Island, and we can expect some gusts in excess of 100 kilometres per hour in exposed places. Temperatures, though, quite warm in the north and east this afternoon, and overall tonight mild as well due to the wind. And then during Wednesday, we can see warm conditions again for many places across the nation. Auckland looking good today, although Thursday could be quite wet with some heavy rain and strong winds. Today, though, a few cloudy spells possible. Thickening high cloud this afternoon. Temperatures nice and mild though, 16 or 17 degrees. Tonight it's going to be warm again, but tomorrow the wind picks up and the cloud starts to thicken up too, and we could see a few late showers as well. Moving on to Wellington, and the wind will be the predominant factor over the next few days, coming in from the north very strong during Tuesday and Wednesday, then tending to the south later in the week. Some high cloud at times. The northerly today pretty gusty, 13 or 14 degrees is the high. Tonight quite blowy too, and then tomorrow very strong at times, in excess of 100 kilometres per hour, and possibly some rain or showers at times. For Christchurch, the Norwest Arch is doing its thing today across the Canterbury Plains, and the wind will kick in later this afternoon for the Garden City, or tonight, fairly gusty too. In fact, the wind could exceed 100 kilometres per hour. Temperatures warm overall too, into the mid to high teens with plenty of cloud cover, and one or two splashes could form every now and then. Southern New Zealand, let's take a look. That wind is motoring everywhere basically today, and then tomorrow it eases back a little bit as that front heads northward, and those winds generally coming in from the northwest direction. For the upper South Island, the winds start to pick up late today and into tonight, and then tomorrow they'll be strongest between Blenheim and Christchurch. Quite mild temperatures in the east though. For the lower North Island, today the wind does start to increase as well, becoming fairly blustery about the capital, and then tomorrow it's basically howling everywhere in these regions. For central North Island districts today, quite benign. The weather, lovely, sunny, gentle winds, but then tomorrow that nor'wester starts to hammer away in the west, with New Plymouth seeing some rain or showers at times. For Gisborne and the Bay of Plenty, wondering what all the fuss is about because it's lovely there today, and then tomorrow that wind does start to develop and the Bay of Plenty could see a shower or two in places. And for the remainder of the North Island, sunny skies today, just gentle nor'west breezes puffing in, and then tomorrow that nor'wester starts to motor and cloud thickening up later. That's the latest in New Zealand weather.